In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checklists in Notion. Checklists in Notion are a simple, powerful way to track tasks, routines, goals, or progress on any project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create one and keep it updated with just a few keystrokes. Start by opening the Notion page where you want your checklist to live. This could be a project page, a daily journal, or a dedicated tasks page. Once the page is open, click inside the main content area. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see the text cursor blinking. If your page already has content, just click where you want the checklist to appear, such as beneath a heading or at the end of your notes. Now type /, then the word to do. To do. In Notion, the / command is a quick way to add different types of content without hunting through menus. As you type, a small menu will appear with matching options. From that menu, select the to-do list block. This tells Notion that you want a list of items with checkboxes, perfect for tasks you can mark complete. Notion will instantly create your first to-do item with an empty checkbox. Click to the right of that box and type your first task. Make it clear and actionable so you know exactly what you're committing to. Short, specific phrases work best, like draft intro paragraph, instead of something vague like work on paper. The clearer your task, the easier it is to complete. When you're ready to add another item, simply press Enter. Notion automatically creates a new line with a checkbox, so you can keep typing the next task without breaking your flow. Press Enter again to add another, and keep going until your list reflects everything you want to track. This rhythm, type, enter, type, makes building a full checklist feel fast and effortless. As you work through your tasks, click the checkboxes to mark items as completed. You'll see the text dim and get a strike through, giving you a quick visual cue of your progress. This feedback is motivating and helps you stay focused on what's left. That's all there is to it. Open your page. Click into the content area. Type /to-do. Choose the to-do list block. Enter your first task. Press Enter to add more items, and click the checkboxes as you complete them. Use this simple workflow to bring clarity to your day and keep your projects moving forward.